Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Schema Markup with Google's Rich Results Test, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Rich Results Test page. Once the page is loaded, locate the text box at the top. Enter the URL of the web page you want to test. Alternatively, you can paste your code snippet directly into the box. After entering the URL or code, click the Test URL button. Wait for the test to process. Once processing is complete, review the results displayed on the left. If valid schema markup is detected, it will show the types of rich results it supports. If there are errors, the tool will highlight them along with suggestions for fixing. Now, let's implement schema markup on your web page. Identify the type of schema you want to use from schema.org. Create the markup using either JSON LD or microdata format, based on your preference. Make sure to include all required properties for your chosen schema type. Once your markup is ready, copy the code. Navigate to the backend of your website. For WordPress users, go to the page where you want to add the markup. Switch to the HTML or code editor view. Paste your schema markup before the closing /head/body tag. For other content management systems, follow a similar process to add the markup. After saving your changes, return to the Google Rich Results Test. Re-enter your URL or code snippet to verify your implementation. Click the Test URL button again. Review the results to ensure the new schema markup is recognized. Make necessary adjustments if any errors are present. Once the test shows valid rich results, your schema is successfully implemented. Now, monitor your website's performance in search results. This will help gauge the impact of your new schema markup over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.